congratulations. And I think we will be continuing everything, but making things more, bigger, inshallah, hopefully, with a success. So again, thank you, congratulations, first district.
Again, enjoying again our basketball tournament, and next year we will find time to do a 5-on-5 basketball tournament.